Howdy, folks. It's Handsome, and today, you're gonna hit that like, you're gonna hit that subscribe, you're gonna holler at your boy, and you're gonna participate. Participate. Cut that out. We have the Sony 24-70 G Master 2.8 version 2. Actually, pretty dope. Doing a great. All right, we have a scratched front element, and this customer is seeing this in the picture. That mark right there. Surprisingly, if that mark was over here, wouldn't see it at all. And there's a bunch of debris in there. Don't worry, baby, I got you. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this front grouped element today. This should be a quickie. Tools, y'all know where you can get them. Cross Point. Shout out to the last person that bought a full repair kit. Thank you very much. I'm really gonna need this part, Billy. I need you to get on cue, please. Thank you, Billy. All right, so I ordered this from Encompass.com. I should hopefully have this put up right here. It should be, hopefully. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. We're doing an unboxing today on a 24-70 part. But I would like to show everybody. Look at it. I tell my customers to put silica gel bags or these. Put these in your camera bag and they absorb all the moisture. And obviously it works if the manufacturer is sending me parts with silica gel bags inside of there. All right, we got that right there. Oh, look how they keep this thing right here, girl. Look like a little lunch cup with some tapioca pudding in it. Tapioca, little balls in my pudding. Pause. We're gonna set you right there. All right, so this piece right here, this vanity ring, is basically just double stick taped on that thing, you know what I mean? And if the glass is already scratched, oh, there's multiple scratches. You should have a point. See how it's lifting? Yeah, so it is, so there are some grooves right there. What are there, 3 little nipples? And that goes in right there. Yeah, that is basically just double stick tape. I guess I should go ahead and replace that double stick tape, huh? Maybe. All right, this is what we're gonna do right here. This ring has to come off first before we can even get to that. So, is it 6 screws or something like that? Hope everybody's doing well, staying focused, staying positive. So check it. We got 3 screws to take this element off. Jesus. It's gonna be sitting sideways. All right, and then you're going to lift up. All right, there we go. Doing a great job. All the debris. This is the main reason why I hate working on lenses. All right, we are solid. We're set in our ways. We will put this on there. Yeah. Make sure it's nice and tight. Let's go ahead and do this real quick. All right, I'm gonna put 2. Cause my double stick tape is really sticky and strong. I'm gonna do 2 of these. Let's do 3. I'm a nice guy. Where's my double stick tape? Wow. Where did I get this double stick tape? I have no idea. I'll have to ask Mr. John Jacobs, because he is the one that provided this for me. Shout out to John Jacobs. Jingleheimer Smith. Hey, his name is my name too. Alright. We're going to get you right about right there. You go. Get on there. Boom. Don't get stuck. Boom. Don't get stuck. Got this sitting right here, boy. Right here, boy. Let's get on here. Y'all remember how it was? I do. Actually, put back these screws. Boom. Okay, so... Oh. Need to get the adhesive off of this side. Duh. Doing a great job. Got him. Okay. It is being a little difficult for your boy right now, huh? And now we are set. Just gotta give her a good wipe down. I love wiping her down. But this is a common thing that happens when you do not put a filter on. If you put on a nice thick filter, it won't get scratched. The filter will take the damage first. Just saying. Fresh new glass. Boom, shakalaka. This is the front grouped element of a 24-70 version 2 G Master. Front grouped element swap. I really appreciate y'all's time, y'all's patience, and I appreciate your viewership. The channel has grown like crazy. I really haven't thanked. I really appreciate everybody all over the world. Gonna see some new stuff in 2026. Stay tuned. Stay leaving comments. Give me ideas. I'm done talking. Don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe. Holla at your boy. I love y'all. I really do. Thank you for being you. And until next time, don't break nothing.